The clouds. Oh my gosh. This is my newest purchase that I've made. It's a 2022 Honda Navi, and I know I haven't really talked about like getting a scooter on this channel at all, but this has been a dream of mine since like 2 years ago. Me and my boyfriend had some neighbors that owned a couple of scooters, and I rode her Navi, which is fully modded. It's completely different from a stock Navi, but I rode it and I literally fell in love with it. I know a lot of people are gonna comment, why didn't you get a Grom? You should have got a Grom. Groms are better. For me, I like this a little bit more. I'm more comfortable riding this. I wish I can go ride it today, but it is literally about to storm and it's really windy and I'm kind of scared. But now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the thrift store and see if they want to take any of my clothes, and hopefully get some store credit so I can shop.
What the dog doing?
This is the uptown I'm going to. It's a 12-minute drive, so that's not bad at all. This Uptown Cheapskate is humongous, and I found so many things last time I went. So let's hope they take some clothes. Sometimes I wish that my exhaust was louder. If you saw my last vlog whenever I drove my boyfriend's RSX, it just sounds so good. And then the Honda Fit is so quiet in the inside, which is fine. But sometimes I just wish it was a little bit noisy. Ooh! I just hit the out of that. I do really want a coffee today, and I kind of want to try a new place, but I feel like every time I try a new place in Dallas, it's never good, and it's always like $8 for the smallest little coffee you've ever seen. You can see how cloudy it is. I honestly hate thunderstorms so much, and I hate the noise. I like it when I'm at home, but if it starts raining while I'm out, I made it to the thrift store, but I just saw lots of lightning strikes and now there's rain. So it's time to go. Oh, I need to lock it. I was literally just here like 2 days ago. So let's see if they have anything new. These look comfy. Oh my god. What I got, except for my cats. Sweatpants. This hoodie in the inside is so thick and so comfy. I changed. Now funny. I'm smart. I'm at the car wash right now, but I'm probably just gonna rinse it because it's supposed to rain.
What the dog doing?
I haven't seen my car this clean in so long, but I've been driving around everywhere, all over Dallas recently. So I live pretty far from everybody, so it's about an hour drive no matter where I'm going, which sucks. I kind of just want a break from driving, so I'm gonna, you guys already know, I'm gonna go to Lalaland and then I'm gonna go to either Hobby Lobby or Michael's to try and find a gel pen that I have, but it ran out of ink, and this is like the only gel pen that I actually like. We're at Michael's now. I'm very excited. I haven't been to a Michael's in literally forever. I just found the prettiest road to drive on. Oh my god. When I found that road, I literally wanted to cry because how beautiful it was. I've always wanted to try out these markers. They're all locked up. I guess people steal them. Oh my god. I want to try these out so bad. I do want another sketchbook because I feel like the one I have is super big. And I like to draw at work, but people like to watch me. And I don't like when they watch me. I'm gonna get this one because it's small. And then I'm looking at pens. But I don't know if I want to spend this much money on a pen right now. Ooh. Look at how big these raindrops are. Can you even see them? I knew this was gonna happen, so I'm not mad at myself for washing my car because she needed that scrub down.
What the dog doing?
kind of want to decorate my helmet. I have a lot of new stickers from my friends. They have case style. This one's cute. I'm gonna put this one on. And then we have some stickers from Lisa as well, which I think will go really cute with. I only put this one on because I couldn't fit anything else on. I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna be like, why are you wearing a helmet? It's such a slow little bike. I feel safer. If I fall, I don't want another head injury. So I need to see if this watermelon will fit. Look at that. Oh, all that space. And I can also fit my camera in here for the meantime. To get here, but it was still fun. I wish I had like a little camera so you guys can come with me when I'm riding. I've honestly had such a rough week, and this is all I really needed today. I feel like I woke up really sad this morning and not feeling like I wanted to do anything. I literally did not want to get up at all today. It's been so hard to like get out of bed. But I think I turned today into a pretty good day for me. I went to Lalaland. I got some more pen. That pen that I got, I did not expect this pen to draw so well. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use it tomorrow. Eating this makes me want to go to the pool. I think living in a pretty big community, you see a lot of kids riding these little like scooters around, like electric scooters and like little mini bikes, and I think it's so cute. There's a mini bike right there. Love.
What the dog doing?
I accidentally went on the main road for like 2 minutes, and that was the scariest 2 minutes of my life.